This is Alexandria opening up her Play-Doh eggs with squeaky surprises inside. We have 6 colors to choose from. We have purple, brown, green, pink, blue, and orange.
No, purple, brown, green, pink, blue, orange, blue.
Oh, blue. There's 2 blues. I missed the blue. Which one are you going to start with, Alexandria?
Pink.
Okay, we're going to open up the pink. We're going to see what surprise is in the pink Play-Doh. Open it up. And what is it? It's a tree. Very cool.
No, it's a chair.
Oh, it's a chair. Okay.
It has a chair with trees on it.
Okay, and what's the next one now?
Green.
Green.
It's a pear thing.
Cool, for Hello Kitty. Okay. What's the next color? Blue.
It's a pink.
Cool.
Oops. And grab it. You got some Play-Doh on her.
It's okay.
I'll get it off. Yeah. You get more Play-Doh on it.
Okay, we'll get it off later. Okay, what's the next color?
The next color is brown.
Brown, okay. What is it? Balloons? Cool. And what's the next one?
Orange. Orange.
Okay, do the orange.
It's a baby. It's a cat stroller.
A cat stroller?
See?
Cool.
The next one is purple.
Is that the last one?
No, there's another blue one.
Oh, okay. All right. So out of all those Play-Doh eggs, we have a food dish, a bunny squinky, a tree.
No, it's a chair.
A basketball hoop, a basket with balloons, and a kitty stroller. Oh, and the golf course. All right, is that it?
Then we're doing some more.
Okay.